My name is Cameron Smith, and I'm lead technician at Clean Home Power Washing. Oh man, there's so many amazing things about working here, but I'd say probably the second to none culture and the environment is super welcoming and very nice. I've worked at a lot of different places where it's very stressful and very hectic. It's far from that here. People are very relaxed, and at the same time, it's very professional. Enjoy coming to work every day and getting to talk and interact with the people that I work with. The schedule's very cut and dry. You get to see what it's looking like on a weekly basis in one of the apps. The starting pay is very nice, and there's opportunities for commission, upselling jobs.
For me, it's the opportunity to be somewhere different every day. We go from job to job and get to meet new people every day, so that's really cool to me. And the family aspect of everything. We're a smaller company, so when we get together and put our minds together, everything, it's just really something to see every day, you know. When we get here, we usually get everything ready on the trucks. We'll get everything filled up, our SH, our chemicals. We'll start from there, and then we'll go into the office, usually get a game plan, get a good, head start on the day, see what we want to do for that day. We'll attack the jobs. Once we get that done, then we'll come on back and we'll be good for the day. So sometimes it could be going to a roof cleaning, and the next it could be going to a house wash. So just depends on how you plan your day, really. I'm Daniel Chesney, and I'm a lead technician at Clean Home Power Washing.